Okay, this video is to show the buckling and unbuckling of the RideSafer travel vest. The whole key is right here along the webbing where the circles and lines are. That's to indicate where you pinch the two metal rings. When you pinch them, you're actually changing the alignment right here inside the J-hook. So when you are unbuckling, all that you need to do is pinch here and then push the two pieces together like this, and that allows these two to come out of the J-hook. When you're connecting them, it's the same motion. You squeeze it, align the rings, and then slip the J-hook in and allow it to release inside. Now it's buckled and it's not going to come apart. When you're releasing it, all that you need to do is pinch here and then push the two together. You can see that I can actually do this one-handed. The other trick is some people find that if they loosen the webbing, it's easier to do all this. So then you just clip the two together and then easily snug it down on the child. And then to release it, you can unbuckle it there, loosen it, and unbuckle it also.